welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to get a bit of your privacy back when searching the internet. As you know, there's a lot of search engines out there that track what you're searching. But DuckDuckGo do not do this. They do not track anything that you search. They don't store any of your information, and they certainly do not share your personal data or sell it on. As they do not collect your search history, they don't even have anything that they can sell to advertisers or anyone else. Which is fantastic news, because that means you can now search the internet again without your privacy being breached. To set DuckDuckGo as your homepage in Firefox, all you need to do is go to the top right hand corner of your screen and click on the three lines. And if you're on any other web browser, it should pretty much be similar to this. Once you've clicked on the three lines, you now need to go down to Options. You now need to click on Home. And you now need to click on next to Homepage New Windows, this little drop down menu, and click on Custom URLs. You now need to copy the link that's in the description below and paste it into this box here. And there we go. Firefox will now open up DuckDuckGo as our home page when we open up the web browser or any new windows. You can now go back to the DuckDuckGo website and scroll down, and you can now click on Add DuckDuckGo to Firefox. And you now need to press Continue to Installation and press Add. And go OK, got it. And there we go. We now have DuckDuckGo on our Firefox with the add-on as well. If we press Start Searching, as you can see in the top right hand corner of our screen, we have this little A. If you click on the A, you can now see that our privacy is protected, and it will tell you how many trackers are found on websites and if our privacy is good and if the connection is encrypted. And that is it for DuckDuckGo. I hope this tutorial did help, and if it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Also, I forgot to mention you can actually search in the top right hand corner as well. I can just type in test and hit enter, and it will search straight away for me. Don't forget to check out my social channels.